Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and staying healthy. Today I'm bringing you something truly special from the world of herbal healing. Have you ever heard of a herb that naturally controls diabetes, detoxifies your liver, clears your skin, and reduces stress? It's called Paneer Dodi, Paneer Booty, and it's one of Ayurveda's best-kept secrets. In this video, I'm going to share its powerful benefits, how to use it properly, and possible side effects you should know. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from this amazing remedy. What is Paneer Dodi? Paneer Dodi, Paneer Booty, also known as Withania coagulans or Indian Rennet, is a dried herbal flower used in traditional remedies for centuries. Though small in size, it's packed with powerful healing benefits for your overall health. Powerful benefits of Paneer Dodi, Paneer Booty. Paneer Dodi may look like a tiny dried flower, but it holds centuries of healing secrets in Ayurvedic medicine. Here are its most powerful benefits, explained in detail. 1. Natural diabetes controller. One of the most well-known uses of Paneer Dodi is in managing type 2 diabetes. It helps regulate blood sugar levels naturally by enhancing insulin sensitivity. Regular use can reduce dependence on heavy medications and bring your sugar levels under control without harmful chemicals. Many diabetic patients who use Paneer Dodi daily have reported steady glucose levels over time. Best for people with prediabetes, insulin resistance, or uncontrolled sugar levels. 2. Supports heart health and lowers bad cholesterol. Paneer Dodi also helps in reducing LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, which is a major cause of heart disease. It improves blood circulation and prevents the hardening of arteries, making it a heart-friendly herb. It keeps the blood vessels clean and reduces the risk of stroke, hypertension, and heart attacks. Best for people with high cholesterol, blood pressure, or heart-related family history. 3. Powerful liver detoxifier. Your liver is the body's natural filter, and Paneer Dodi helps it work better. It promotes the flushing of toxins, chemicals, and harmful fat from the liver, preventing fatty liver and jaundice. It also boosts the regeneration of damaged liver cells over time. Best for people who suffer from sluggish liver, fatty liver, or take regular medications that stress the liver. 4. Improves digestion and gut health. Paneer Dodi strengthens the digestive system and improves gut absorption. It helps relieve issues like gas, bloating, constipation, and acidity. A healthy gut means better immunity and nutrient absorption, which reflects in your overall health. Best for people with irregular digestion, IBS, or frequent constipation. 5. Clears acne and purifies skin from within. This herb is a natural blood purifier, which reflects in clearer, brighter skin. By cleansing the blood and removing toxins, it helps reduce acne, boils, rashes, and even pigmentation caused by internal imbalances. It supports hormonal balance too, which is often a hidden cause of adult acne. Best for people suffering from acne-prone or dull skin, especially due to internal imbalances. Face mask for clear, glowing skin. The leftover soft flowers, after soaking, can be used directly on the face to brighten dull skin and fight pimples. Paneer Dodi face mask. Ingredients: leftover soaked Paneer Dodi flowers, peeled and mashed into a paste. 1 to 2 tablespoons of rosewater. Optional. A pinch of turmeric or 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel for extra glow. How to use: mash the peels into a smooth paste, mix with rosewater and turmeric or aloe vera if using. Apply to clean skin. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for clear, fresh, and glowing skin. Tip: always do a patch test before applying the face mask if you have sensitive skin. Cooling eye pack. You can also wrap the soft peels in a clean muslin cloth and place them over your eyes for 10 minutes to reduce puffiness and cool tired eyes. 6. Boosts immunity and reduces inflammation. Paneer Dodi is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. It strengthens your body's natural defense system and helps you recover from fatigue, infections, or long illnesses. It's especially useful during seasonal changes when your immunity is low. Best for people recovering from illness, fatigue, or with low immunity. How to use Paneer Dodi soaked water method, most popular. Take 10 to 12 pieces of Paneer Dodi, soak them overnight in a glass of water in the morning, squeeze and strain the water, drink it on an empty stomach daily. Use it consistently for at least 3 months to notice visible changes. Side effects and precautions. Possible side effects and precautions. Do not use during pregnancy or breastfeeding. People with low blood sugar should consult their doctor before use. If you're on diabetes or blood pressure medications, always consult your physician. Avoid overdose. Use only 10 to 12 pieces daily. Very important, patients suffering from tuberculosis, TB, pneumonia, flu, or any chest infections should consult their healthcare provider before using Paneer Dodi, Paneer Dodi, as its effects in these conditions are not well studied and it may interfere with standard treatments. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting any herbal remedy. Do not overdose. Stick to recommended amount. Paneer Dodi is a natural gift with so many benefits, especially for those looking for herbal ways to stay healthy. Have you ever tried Paneer Dodi? Let me know your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and support this channel so I can keep bringing you more natural health tips. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and take care.